Now then, so imagine coming back to your 2-month-old van that you've only done 1,000 miles in, and your door looks like that, gutted. So yeah, it's going to have to be mainly glue pulled, 2 big creases along there. Damage comes all the way up to here, a bit further down there as well. There is an access hole on the inside of the door which I may be able to use at some point, but for now let's get the glue gun on and put the kettle on as well. That's that then, another one done, ready for collection. Thanks for watching if you've got this far. I appreciate it. See you on the next one.